This is little CFMEU. He's a baby jungle python. They grow to about, oh, come back here. Come back here. Come on. They grow to about 1.2 to 1.6 meters, and all that little grey colouring or real pale yellow colouring you can see on him at the moment, or her, we're not sure yet, will turn a bright yellow. This little fella I've nicknamed CFMEU because he strikes quite a bit. Nyuk, 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 boom, tish, and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, he's a beautiful little snake, and he did, I think it's his first molt or shed a few days ago, and I gave him a feed, and I just left him alone for a few days, and I'm just getting him used to. I'm trying to get him used to knowing that he's safe in people's hands. I feed him with tongs. I feed him pinkies and I feed him with tongs, but I try to do this as much as I can because he's a very, I guess, a little bit nervous at his age. So he'll like see now how he's come back because my fingers are there and he's having a look, and he'll every now and again he'll have a little strike and to show how tough he is. But oh, sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to do that to you. But yeah, he's such a beautiful thing. Oh, get back up here. Come on. Get nasty with me. I don't mind. Poor little baby. So I hope you're still watching this. It's quite a cute little bugger. Oh yeah, you're a big toughie. No, we'll put you up in the air, make you feel a bit more comfortable, and I'll put you back in your nice little warm home in a minute. But I think my hand's quite warm enough for you at the moment, isn't it? There you go. Where are you trying to go? Such a tiny little, you look at him like his little head's, no bigger than the end of my little finger. Poor little thing. He's so beautiful though. Little tongue's going out, he's exploring, he's going, oh, what's all this going on around here? Let me have a bit of a look. It's night time. I'm wide awake. I'll go and, let's go for a run up this fella's arm, see what's going on. Oh, where are you? There you are. All right, I'm trying to look at him through the camera. It's really hard. He's just so chill. Such a chill little fella. Like that looks really fat, but you've got to realise that that fat is about as fat as my middle finger. He's just a baby. Just a little tiny baby, aren't you? Where are you? Sorry about the bad footage. That's my fault. But he's kind of hanging off me thumb, running all the way down my arm here and going, what's going on around here? Let's put you this way. It's really white underneath. That's why it keeps blowing out and flaring out. I should actually just turn that light off and leave the other light on. But, yeah, he's such a good boy. Anyway, I think I've been rambling on for 5 minutes with this guy hanging off my arm. I'll or girl, we're not sure yet. I've got to stress that. I'll let you folks get back to what you're doing, and I'll play with this one for a little bit longer, get a little bit more used to me again, and we'll see what happens. All right. Have a good night, folks.